Do you want to fix the problem of not being able to add template on Instagram? Okay, we are going first. In App Store here or Play Stores for the Android, and go to the on the Instagram. You search Instagram, and here update, if you able the update, and go to the Instagram and probable, you solve the problem. If not, you go to the configuration of your phone, and for the Android go to the option applications. For the iPhones, scrolling down and search the Instagram, and go to the Instagram here, and you force the app and clear cache, and bye bye.